In this presentation, I'm going to provide you with 5 tips that will help you improve your YouTube search rankings. There are thousands of videos uploaded to YouTube every day, which means there is a lot of competition on the video platform. Understanding how you can take advantage of the platform's algorithm can help more people see your videos and channel. Here are 5 tips to help you improve your search rankings on YouTube. Tip number 1, align your content with viewer searches. To outrank the competition, your YouTube content needs to include the exact words and phrases that are being used in searches by people who are looking for content like yours. Many free and paid tools can provide you with insights into what people are searching for on the platform. After you've identified the best keywords to use, incorporate them into your content. Tip number 2, maximize video watch time. One of the most important ranking factors on YouTube is watch time. If you don't have strong watch times, your videos will fall in rank. The watch time isn't just about the total minutes watched, but the percentage of the video viewed. The best way to help you increase watch time is to get rid of long intros and outros. Tip number 3, drive longer channel sessions. You have to get people to watch more than one of your videos. While all channels want this, not many of them are actively encouraging viewers to watch more videos. If your channel can consistently start people watching YouTube for extended periods, your channel will be rewarded by getting ranked higher on YouTube search. A good tactic for encouraging viewers to watch more videos is to use clickable thumbnails or end cards. Tip number 4, keep your content consistent. Like Google, YouTube likes authority, so if you regularly upload videos focused on the same topic for many years, then you will be much more likely to rank higher for related search terms. When it comes to choosing topics, it's best to pick a narrow niche and stick with it. Tip number 5, cultivate audience engagement. While comments, shares, and likes are great for providing social proof, and comments are a great way to gain feedback and insight from your audience, switching up your call to action to encourage engagement can give you a healthy boost in the search algorithm. As with any social media platform that you use for your business, you'll only get out of YouTube what you put into it. If you want to improve your search ranking, then you should consider these 5 steps. In this presentation, I'm going to share with you 4 ways to create a popular YouTube channel for your business. With close to 1 billion unique viewers every month, YouTube has become an excellent tool for marketing your business. However, if you don't have the viewers or your viewers haven't increased in a while, then it might be time for you to rethink your strategies. Here are 4 ways that you can create a popular YouTube channel for your business. Design your brand. You'll need to determine what the overall theme of your videos are going to be and how you want your YouTube channel to be known. With the massive influx of video being uploaded to YouTube every day, you need to make sure that your videos have a unique quality that will make them stand out from the crowd. The name of your YouTube channel should also incorporate what kinds of videos your viewers can expect from your channel. It will also help to include your business logo that will help to attract and keep people's attention. Produce quality videos. While you may produce extremely creative videos or thought-provoking, if the production value of the video is low quality, no one will continue to play it after the first few seconds. Do yourself a favor and invest in a high-quality camera that can capture videos in HD. Luckily, many of the smartphones on the market today can do this. If your YouTube channel primarily uses graphics, make sure to use a video editing program that is recommended by the professionals. Complete the description. Make sure that you are completing the description for each video and are optimizing it with relevant keywords. The description is where you can freely state anything you want about the video. The description allows viewers to know more about the video before and after watching it. Not only is giving complete information professional, but it also lets your viewers know that you are serious about what you are doing. Work on your tags. The tags allow your videos to be categorized and appear easily in YouTube searches. Make sure that the tags that you use are relevant to your video. Avoid using popular tags that are currently trending on YouTube. If your video is about making cookies from scratch, put that specific tag first, followed by the more generic ones. If you want to increase your popularity on YouTube, then you need to focus on creating the best YouTube channel as you can. Utilize these 4 techniques to create a popular YouTube channel. In this presentation, I'm going to share with you the top ways to get more traffic to your YouTube channel. While YouTube has become an excellent tool for businesses to promote their brand, the competition is fierce. Every day there are thousands of videos uploaded to YouTube, so the question becomes, how can your business stand out from the crowd and gain more viewers and subscribers? If you have videos on YouTube, use these tips to boost your traffic and video rankings on YouTube. Tip number 1. Use rich keywords on your video tags. The more keywords that you put in your videos, the more opportunities that you have for people to find your video. For example, let's say your video is about peanuts. If you only use the word peanuts as a tag, then your video may appear when that keyword is searched for, but if you insert a network of related keywords, you can open a huge door for people to find your video. Using the tags field correctly and adding as many relevant tags that you can think of will help you get more traffic to your channel. Tip number 2. Transcribe your videos and post it to your video description. Websites can't accurately fetch keywords that are spoken in videos, so for the time being, written keywords are still a significant factor when it comes to video rankings. If you have a presentation video, transcribe your words to get lots of SEO juice to increase your ranks. Paste the transcription into your video description field and watch your traffic grow. Tip number 3. Insert keywords into your titles. YouTube is right behind Google in terms of search engines. This means that the majority of people will find your videos through keywords. One of the most significant factors in video placement for keywords is having them in your video title. So you want to make sure that you place keywords that are relevant in your video title. Tip number 4. Direct tons of links to your video. External SEO is not only a great way to boost rankings for pages on your website, but it also plays a significant role in rankings of YouTube videos. When you have a lot of high-authority websites directing links to your YouTube video, they will rank higher for their keywords, which will also boost visits to your site. Every business wants to increase the traffic to their YouTube channel. With these 4 tips, you can bring more traffic to your videos and expand your brand authority. In this tutorial, I'm going to provide you with 6 tips to help you grow your YouTube channel. When it comes to finding success on YouTube, it can be challenging to produce algorithm-friendly content that will attract more viewers and keep them watching. Here are 6 tips for optimizing your video content on YouTube to grow your subscribers. Tip number 1. Post multiple times a week. Recent reports have uncovered that channels that post more videos than once a week are performing better than those who don't and are receiving more recommended views. If you can, try posting a video 3 or more times a week to your channel. Keeping a regular schedule can quickly raise your channel in YouTube's algorithm. Tip number 2. Start each video with a hook. The way you will hook your viewers will depend on you and your content. If you have a video that shows a project, make sure you show the result at the beginning of your video. Providing videos with a stunning result increases their interest in how you achieved it. Stories are another way to pique the interest of your viewers. When you start with a story, viewers will want to stick around to see how it ends. Tip number 3. Keep opening credits and titles brief. People have short attention spans, so including a long title or credit sequence at the start of your video will cause viewers to lose interest. Long opening sequences also discourage binge watching because other viewers don't want to see the same long sequence over and over again. Instead, you want to make sure your opener isn't longer than 5 seconds. Tip number 4. Add end screens. End screens are interactive elements in your video that link to your channel, other videos, or webpage. These can be only added in the last 20 seconds of a video, so you need to plan where to place the end screens. End screens tend to work best when the on-screen presenter is still talking and providing information. Tip number 5. Edit out distractions. Meandering talking, long pauses, and bouncing from one subject to another will have your viewers looking for more exciting videos. You want to keep the tangents to a minimum and avoid giving viewers reasons to click away. Tip number 6. Design eye-catching thumbnails. Thumbnails can make or break your YouTube success. Suggested videos are the leading source of organic traffic, which means that your video thumbnail needs to stand out when it appears in the suggested videos section of the platform. If you want to grow your YouTube channel, then you need to develop content that keeps your viewers and algorithm in mind. These 6 tips can get you well on your way to creating content that will help you grow your YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you 4 strategies for creating a branded YouTube channel. Believe it or not, there was a time when businesses and marketers shied away from publishing content on YouTube. These days, however, YouTube has become a prevalent platform for companies to promote their brands. If you're interested in developing a YouTube channel or your current one requires a facelift, these 4 strategies will help you get started with the process. Avoid overcommitting. If you run a business, your time is probably already pretty stretched. However, if you want to have a successful YouTube channel for your brand, then you need to spend the time creating high-quality content. One way you do this without overcommitting yourself is to outsource the work. Make sure that you can find someone who is already set up and can quickly implement your strategy. Have them upload your content, develop your titles, descriptions, and tags, and have them monitor your comments, subscriptions, and put them in charge of optimizing your channel. Don't just repurpose old content. While you should post your TV commercials online, you don't want them to be the only kind of content on your channel. Television commercials are designed for a one-way medium. While your viewers might want to have the ability to view your ads on demand, if that's all you have to offer them, they will never revisit your company's channel. YouTube provides you with the opportunity to push your brand past the traditional marketing tactics and create high-quality videos that address multiple viewers and a variety of needs. Broadcast your best self. You want to make the feature video on your channel the most entertaining and best piece of content. If that means you have a funny commercial or a video that is cleverly written, then that's what you need to do. When a viewer visits your channel, you only have one chance to make an impression on them, so make sure you take advantage of the opportunity. Make a menu of content for everyone. YouTube is nothing more than a search engine for videos. You need to create tailored content that takes into consideration what consumers are currently searching for, or what they need to know about your product or service. If you build the right videos, when a consumer is searching for information about your competitors, they'll come to your video first. An excellent place to start is by creating instructional and how-to videos. YouTube has become a powerful tool that can be used in your overall marketing strategy to increase awareness about your brand. These 4 strategies will help you create a branded YouTube channel that will gain subscribers.